Hello. Welcome to the Absa Bank Regional Championship. We bring you the second semi-final contest from the Ashanti Region, which features Anglican SHS Kumasi, Opoku Ware School, and Kumasi High School. Let's meet the contestants. Anglican SHS Kumasi is represented by
Mahamadu Ibn Yas.
and
Sample, Nathaniel.
all right. Opoku Ware School is represented by
Apia Kubi Justice. Edu Romeo Apia Kubi.
and Kumasi High School is represented by
Amplot.
and
Ayakwa, Ebenezer, and Kroma.
all right. Before I continue, I would like to acknowledge that the Before I continue, I would like to acknowledge that the Absa Bank Regional Championship is proudly sponsored by Absa Bank with support from Joy News NYFM. This is a primetime production. My name is William James Akampulimba, your quiz master. Now, contestants. The contest comes to you in 4 rounds. As usual, the first round is made up of fundamental concepts in science and mathematics. Simple, direct questions requiring simple and direct answers from you. A correct answer in this round fetches you 3 points. If you are unable to answer your major question correctly, that question may be passed on for a bonus point. The bonus will be competed for by the other 2 remaining schools. And so once a school rings the bell and is given the opportunity to give an answer to that bonus question, and the school provides the correct answer, the school earns 1 more point. Otherwise, that school will lose a precious point. You have 10 seconds to answer questions that do not involve calculations, and 30 seconds to answer questions that involve calculation. And all questions are to be attempted once only. If for any reason I ask you to repeat an answer, please do so in honesty, because we are being recorded. Don't change the answer. Is that okay? All right. So, for this set of questions, it will require 30 seconds of your time, and there's a preamble, after which I'll come to you, Opoku Ware School. Give the formula of the product formed from the following pairs of species. Assume that all reactions do occur. I'll take it once again. Give the formula of the product formed from the following pairs of species. Assume that all reactions do occur. Opoku Ware School. D, 2 minus. The 2 is a power. It's a charge, 2 minus. And E plus. Yes, go ahead.
E to D.
Yes. Next. OA, 2 minus, and B3 plus. Yes, go ahead.
B to OA 3.
Yes. Anglican. OT4 3 minus and P 3 plus. Go ahead.
DOT subscript 4.
Yes. Next set. 30 seconds. And there's a preamble. It's a very long preamble, so take your time. I'll take my time for you. Two capacitors with capacitances, C1 and C2, are connected in series, and the series combination is connected across a battery of EMF E. For the given set of values, find the total charge stored by the series combination. Do you have it? I'll take it once again. Two capacitors with capacitances C1 and C2 are connected in series, and the series combination is connected across a battery of EMF E. For the given set of values, find the total charge stored by the series combination. I hope it's clear now. So, Opoku Ware, C1, 2.0 millifarad. C2, 3.0 millifarad. And E, 5.0 volts. Go ahead if you are ready.
6.0 millicoulomb.
Yes. With the same preamble, Kumasi High, C1 is equal to 3.5 millifarad. C2, 6.5 millifarad. E, 4.0 volts. Go ahead if you are ready.
So 9.1 millicoulomb.
Yes. Kumasi Anglican. C1 is equal to 4.5 millifarad. C2, 5.5 millifarad. And E, 4.0 volts. Yes, Opoku Ware.
9.9 millicoulomb.
Yes. Next set. 10 seconds, and there's a preamble. Receptors are the part of nerve fibers that receive information from the external atmosphere. Mention one of the types of receptors. I will take it again. Receptors are the part of nerve fibers that receive information from the external atmosphere. Mention one of the types of receptors. So these questions are not transferable. Opoku Ware.
Chemoreceptors.
Yes. Kumasi High School.
Mechanoreceptors. Mechanoreceptors.
No. Kumasi Anglican.
Photoreceptors. Photoreceptors. Photoreceptors.
Yes. So the others are gustatory receptor or gustatory receptor, olfactory receptor, and then the hearing receptor, phonoreceptor. The rest, thermoreceptor and photoreceptor has been mentioned. Next, 30 seconds. Find the limit. That's a preamble. Find the limit. Opoku Ware, limit as x approaches 1 of the rational function x minus 1 all over the expression x squared minus 1. Go ahead.
1/2.
Yes. Kumasi High School. Limit as x approaches 4 of the expression x minus 4 all over the expression x squared minus 3x minus 4. Go ahead.
1/5.
Yes. Kumasi Anglican. Limit as x approaches -4 of the rational function numerator x squared plus 3x minus 4 all over x squared minus 16. Yes, go ahead.
5/8.
Yes. Next set. Thirty seconds. The mass of 0.20 moles of the compound XO2 is 18.2 grams. Determine the atomic mass of the element X. Take the atomic mass of oxygen to be 16. Go ahead.
59.
No, for a bonus. You rang before they give the bell. Huh? No. Please, Opoku Ware, you are done with it, so there's nothing else. Please, Kumasi, I will not consider you because I had not passed judgment before you You rang the bell. So for a bonus. So you know why? You left the units out. Next, Kumasi High School. The mass of 0.30 moles of a compound XO3 is 28.2 grams. Determine the atomic mass of element X. Take oxygen to be 16. Go ahead.
46 grams per mole.
Yes. Anglican. The mass of 0.40 moles of the compound Anglican. Anglican. The mass of 0.40 moles of the compound XSO2 is 34.0 grams. Determine the atomic mass of the element X. Take the atomic mass of S to be 32, that of oxygen O, 16. Go ahead.
$21 grams per mole.
Yes. Next set. Next set. 30 seconds and there's a preamble. Find the radius of the Bower's orbit with quantum number n in a Bower's atom of atomic number 2. Do you have it? Find the radius of the Bower's orbit with quantum number n in a Bower's atom of atomic number 2. Opoku Ware, n is equal to 3. Yes, go ahead.
Okay. 238 picometers.
No. Kumasi High. Go ahead.
477 picometers.
No. Kumasi High. When n is equal to 6, yes, go ahead.
1,908 picometers.
No. Bonus. Yes, Opoku Ware. Go ahead.
95.0
picometers.
I'll give that to you. Anglican, N is equal to 8. Yes, go ahead.
Okay. 1.19 times 10 to the power negative 9 meters.
No. Yes, Opoku Ware.
1.69 nanometers.
Yes. Next. A preamble, a very long one. Hello. Please. You are not helping them here. They need to hear well and answer for you to be happy. So if you make the noise and they don't hear, they give you wrong answers, then you blame them. Next, 10 seconds, and there's a long preamble, so please listen to it carefully. The female and male reproductive organs of several pteridophytes and gymnosperms are comparable to the floral structures of angiosperms. Mention the reproductive parts of angiosperms that correspond to the following reproductive parts of pteridophytes and angiosperms. I'll take it once again. The female and male reproductive organs of several pteridophytes and gymnosperms are comparable to the floral structures of angiosperms. Mention the reproductive parts of angiosperms that correspond to the following reproductive parts of pteridophytes and gymnosperms. So, Opoku Ware, strawberry or cone? Go ahead.
Fruit.
No. Yes, Anglican.
The anther.
No. So hold on. Kumasi High, microsporophyll. Go ahead.
Pollen green.
No. Bonus. Anglican, megasporophyll. Go ahead.
The ovum.
No. Bonus. Is the pistil or the carpel. Microsporophyll, stamen, and yours, flower. Last set of questions for the round. Find the domain of the logarithmic function. Do you have it? Find the domain of the logarithmic function. Opoku Ware. Log of the expression in brackets 1 minus x squared Let me take it again. Log of the expression brackets open 1 minus x squared brackets close. I think it's better now. Yes, go ahead.
The domain is a set of real numbers such that, and x is a member such that x is greater than 1 or x is less than -1.
No. Yes, Kumasi High.
The domain is such that x is a member of all real numbers, such that -1 less than x less than 1.
Yes. Kumasi High. Log of the expression brackets open x squared minus 3x plus 2 brackets close. Yes, go ahead.
The domain x is such that x is a member of all real numbers where x is less than 1 or x is greater than 2.
Yes. Anglican SHS. Log of the expression brackets open x squared minus 4 brackets close. Yes, go ahead.
The domain is x is such that -2 less than x less than 2.
No. Yes, Opoku Ware.
The domain is a set of all real numbers, and x is a member, such that x is greater than 2 or x is less than -2.
Yes. So on that note, the end of round 1.
Whoever you're doing it for, we'll help you get it done. Simply. That's Africanacity. That's ABSA.
Alande. Make I walk you through my everyday life. Busy from the morning light. My to-do list long, shadow fit to overlap. So sharp, turn on mobile app. School fees check, light bills check. Do I'm with speed like a G4 jet. You be at the day, I am not upset. Check, I don't even use checks to the check.
Join the ABSA family and make fast, easy, and safe transactions with our digital products. Log on to absa.com.gh. No long tail. We like 'em simple and easy.
Believe me, no long things in my life, though. Like I'm simple and easy. Easy.
Tap into the convenience of APSA contactless cards, another innovation that's turning banking on its head. Now, you can make fast, easy, and safe contactless payments for everyday items. That's Africanacity. That's APSA.
Meet Abby, your 24/7 digital personal banker. Let Abby make payments, buy airtime, and check your balance for you on WhatsApp. Another digital innovation that gets things done. That's Africanacity. That's APSA.
second set. Hello. Please, there are some concerns here that we'll have to address. One of them coming from Opoku Ware School. On the second set of physics questions, their major question was to find the radius of the Bohr's orbit with quantum number n in the Bohr's atom of atomic number 2. They gave the answer to be 238 picometers, which is correct. So what we have here is 2.38 times 10 to the power negative 10 meters. So pico is the power negative 12. So if you do the arithmetic and the movement of the decimal place, you get exactly what you have. So 3 points. Then the Kumasi High also challenged their answer to the first set of biology questions. On the receptors, mentioned one of the types of receptors. They said mechanoreceptor, which wasn't here, but the consultant said we should accept it, and so they give them 3 points as well. All right. So at the end of round 1, here are the scores. Kumasi Anglican, 11 points. Opoku Ware School, 19 points. Kumasi High School, 19 points. Round 2. Round 2 is also known as the speed race. In this round, all questions are directed to all schools at the same time. The first school to ring the bell gets the opportunity to answer correctly for 3 points on the first attempt, 2 points on the second attempt, and 1 point on the third attempt. However, in any of these attempts, if you fail to provide the correct answer, you will lose a precious point. So be very careful. You have 10 seconds to answer questions that do not involve calculations and 30 seconds to answer questions that involve calculation. Please, I'm cautioning you, if you ring the bell, first you are called, second time the name of your school is mentioned, if the answer is not coming, The score master will bell you out. If the bell goes, I will not accept any answer. Even if you speak through the mic, I will not take it. A different school can pick it and give. I have no problem. So be careful. All right. First set, 10 seconds each. Why is the pulmonary artery called an artery when it does not carry oxygen-rich blood? Yes, Opoku Ware. Go ahead.
This is because it carries blood away from the heart.
Yes. Good work. Next. Deforestation may lead to floods. Why? Yes, Opoku Ware.
This is because deforestation means the cutting down of trees. And trees serve as protective, they protect the topsoil. And when water falls, that is when it is raining, or when there is water and there are no trees, then there is nothing to block the path of this water. And also, and so the water will pass through and there will
No.
Huh?
You're wrong.
When the trees are cut, the surface of the land is exposed, which makes it easily susceptible to erosion. And when this erosion happens, the bare land is going to be lower. Therefore, when it rains or in times of any time of water, the place is going to be flooded.
No. Did you ring? Go ahead.
This is because trees when planted, they provide and they also bind the soil particles together.
Okay.
And in doing so, they prevent soil erosion. That is, as the trees are planted.
No. Now listen to the answer. In the absence of trees, soil loses its water holding capacity. That is the main thing. This causes floods. Hence, deforestation leads to floods. Now, further explanation has been given. Forest is a natural absorber of rainwater. It allows rainwater to seep through the roots of the trees and absorb the water and prevent it from flowing away. So when trees are absent in the forest, it prevents the rain from directly hitting the ground. It rather hits the ground slowly, hence trees in the forest slow down the movement of running water and thus help in preventing floods. Next, please press your bell. It's working. The thing is that if they press before you, yours will not come through. Please, everything is working. All right. Next one. Fungus, moss, and fern reproduce by a common method of asexual reproduction. Name this method. Yes, Kumasi High.
Sporulation. Sporulation.
Yes. Next. 30 seconds. Simplify and find the exact value of sine inverse of brackets open, sine of 2 pi over 3 brackets close, brackets close. Yes, Kumasi High?
2 pi over 3 radians.
No. Opoku Ware. Opoku Ware.
2 pi on 3 radian.
No. Pi on 3 radians. Next, find the set of values of x for which the function y equals x cubed minus 6x squared plus 7 is decreasing. Yes, Kumasi High?
2.
No. Yes, Opoku Ware School.
When minus 2 less than x less than 2.
No. Anglican.
Okay. When x is greater than 2 or when x is less than negative 2.
No. The right answer is x such that 0 less than x less than 4. Next, solve the radical equation. X minus 3 is equal to 2 multiplying square root of the expression in bracket x minus 4. Yes, Kumasi High.
X is equal to 5.
Yes. Next. 30 seconds each. A constant volume gas thermometer has a pressure of 50.0 kilopascal at the triple point of water. What is the temperature indicated by the thermometer when its pressure reads 85.0 kilopascal? Yes, Opoku Ware. Opoku Ware. You rang. Go ahead.
46.4 Kelvin.
No. Yes.
459 Kelvin.
No. The right answer, 464 Kelvin. Next, the charge on a capacitor is 16 millicoulomb when the potential difference across its plates is 4 volts. Find the energy stored by the capacitor when the charge on its plates is 8 millicoulomb. Yes, Kumasi High. Go ahead.
128 millijoules.
No. Yes, was. Go ahead.
We have 256 millijoules.
No. The right answer is 8 millijoules. Next, find the force at t equals 5 seconds on a particle moving along a straight line whose linear momentum is given by p is equal to 2t squared kilogram meter second to the power negative 3 plus 3t cubed kilogram meter second to the power negative 4. Yes, Opoku Ware. Go ahead.
We have 20I plus 45J or in Newton?
No. Kumasi High.
245 newtons.
No. $205 newtons. Last set of questions for the round. How many atoms of oxygen are present in 12.8 grams of SO3? Take the atomic mass of S to be 32.0, O 16.0, and Avogadro's constant 6.00 times 10 to the power 23. Yes, Opoku Ware. Go ahead.
9.63 by 10 exponent 22 atoms.
No. The right answer, 3.60 times 10 to the power 23. Next, determine the sum of the coefficients of all reactants in a balance equation of the reaction O2 plus FeS2 going into SO2 plus Fe2O3. Yes, Kumasi High.
13.
No, Opoku Ware. Opoku Ware.
25. 25.
95.
25.
No. The right answer is 15. Next, given that X is a non-metal, determine the oxidation number of the element X in the compound, square bracket open, H2, X2, O3, square bracket close, charge plus 2. All right, Kumasi High.
Plus 3. Plus 3.
Yes. On that note, the end of round 2.
Alande. Make I walk you through my everyday life. Busy from the morning light. My to-do list long, shadow fit to overlap. So sharp, turn on mobile app. School fees check, light bills check. Do I'm with speed like a G4 jet. You be at the day, I am not upset. Check, I don't even use checks, city check.
Join the ABSA family and make fast, easy, and safe transactions with our digital products. Log on to absa.com.gh. No long thing. We like 'em simple and easy.
Believe me, no long things in my life, though. Like I'm simple and easy. Easy.
Whatever you're doing it for, we'll help you get it done. Simply. That's Africanacity. That's ABSA.
Hello. At the end of round 2, here are the scores. Anglican SHS Kumasi, 9 points. Opoku Ware School, 14 points. Kumasi High School, 21 points. Round 3. Round 3 is the round of the true or false statements. In this round, I'll be giving you statements, and what you have to do is to tell me whether the statement I gave you is either true or false. If you are right, 2 points. If you are incorrect, you will lose a precious point. So please, you have 10 seconds to do so. If you receive your statement, consider it carefully before you respond. You may choose not to respond. In that case, that statement becomes available to the other 2 remaining schools to compete for. Once a school rings the bell and picks up the statement and provides the correct response, that school earns 2 points. Otherwise, that school will lose a precious point. So this time around, I'll start with you, Kumasi High, and there's a preamble. So for any circle, that is the preamble. For any circle, if 2 chords intersect each other, then they are congruent. Go ahead.
True.
Yes. Anglican. If 2 chords bisect each other, then they are perpendicular. Go ahead.
True.
No, it's a false statement. Opoku Ware. If 2 chords are perpendicular, then they are congruent. Go ahead.
False.
Yes. Kumasi High School, and a preamble to all of you. A very long one. So please listen to it carefully. Lichen is an example of symbiosis, where an algal and fungal species live together for their mutual benefit. Indicate whether the following are true or false with respect to what will happen if the algal and fungal partners are separated from each other. I'll take it once again. Lichen is an example of symbiosis, where an algal and a fungal species live together for their mutual benefit. Indicate whether the following are true or false with respect to what will happen if the algal and fungal partners are separated from each other. Opoku Ware. Both will survive and grow normally and, sorry, Kumasi High, sorry. Both will survive and grow normally and independent of each other.
False.
Yes. Kumasi Anglican. The algal component will survive while the fungal component will die.
False.
Yes. Opoku Ware. The fungal component will survive while the algal partner will die.
False.
Yes. Next, Kumasi High. Electromagnetic waves in a vacuum are transverse waves. Go ahead.
True.
Yes. Anglican. Electric field associated with an electromagnetic wave in a vacuum is perpendicular to the direction wave propagation.
True.
Yes. Opoku Ware. The direction of the magnetic field associated with an electromagnetic wave defines the polarization state of the wave. Go ahead.
False.
Yes. Kumasi High. Melting is endothermic. Go ahead.
True.
Yes. Anglican. Vaporization is endothermic.
True.
Yes. Opoku Ware. Condensation is endothermic.
False.
Yes. Preamble to all schools. Consider the inequality. 5x minus 6y greater than 10. The point A, xy, is a solution. So when I get to you, okay. Consider the inequality. 5x minus 6y greater than 10. The point A with coordinates xy is a solution. So when I get to you, I'll give you the point. Then you check whether it's a solution or not. Is that okay? So if it's a solution, then it's what? It's true. If it's not, then it's false. All right. Kumasi High. A, 3, negative 1. Go ahead.
True. True.
No. Please. Kumasi High. Please. Read the preamble. 5x, the preamble.
5x minus 6y greater than 10.
It's a false statement. Anglican. A, 1, negative 1.
False.
I'm sorry, it's a true statement. Opoku Ware. The point A, 8-5.
False.
Yes. Next, Kumasi High School. Skin and eyes turn yellow in liver infection. True. Yes. Anglican. Renin is a proteolytic enzyme found in gastric juice in infants.
True.
Yes. Opoku Ware. Pancreatic juice and bile are released through the hepatopancreatic duct. Go ahead.
False.
No, it's a true statement. Kumasi High. If the potential at a point on the surface of a sphere is 0, the electric field is 0 there.
False.
Yes. Anglican. If the potential at a point on the surface of a sphere is 0, the electric field is normal to the surface there. Go ahead.
True.
No, it's a false statement. Opoku Ware. If the potential at a point on the surface of a sphere is 0, the electric field is tangential to the surface there. Yes, go ahead.
True.
No, it's a false statement. Last statement. Last statement. Kumasi High. Strontium has 2 valence electrons. Go ahead. True. Yes. Anglican. Anglican. Rubidium has 2 valence electrons.
False.
Yes. Last statement, Opoku Ware. Selenium has 6 valence electrons.
True.
Yes. On that note, the end of round 3. Hello. There's a concern raised by Kumasi High on the first true or false statements, the math, the second set. The inequality of 5x minus 6y greater than 10. And the point I gave them was 3 negative 1. So if you put that in, you will get 21, which is actually greater than 10. And so the response they gave was right. So, at the end of round 3, at the end of round 3, here are the scores. Anglican SHS Kumasi, 16 points. Opoku Ware School, 24 points. And Kumasi High School, 37 points. Round 4. Round 4. Round 4 is the round of the riddles. In this round, I'll be reading out clues for you to solve a riddle. If you solve the riddle on the first clue, 5 points. Second clue, 4 points. Third or any other set of clues thereafter, 3 points. In order to answer a riddle in this one, you need to alert me by ringing your bell. Kumasi Anglican, your bell. Opoku Ware. Kumasi High School. Good. Please, when you ring, your answer must be ready. 4 riddles, the first one. I am a long stem-like structure which makes up the lower part of the brain stem. I am anterior and partially inferior to the cerebellum. I am a cone. Yes, Opoku Ware.
Medulla oblongata.
You are right. 3 points. I was on the third clue, 3 points. Next. Next riddle. I am a mode of heat energy transfer. Specifically, I am a mode of heat transfer. The presence of a material medium is, go ahead, Opoku Ware.
Radiation. Radiation.
No. Wrong next. Yes, Anglican.
Conduction.
Yes. 3 points. Next riddle. I am a colorless gas with pungent smell. Yes, Anglican.
Ammonia gas. Ammonia gas.
Ammonia?
Gas.
No. The any group ring? All right, so I continue. I am highly toxic. Yes, Opoku Ware.
SO2.
Yes. Sorry, 4.4444. I am highly toxic. 4 points. I was on the second clue. 4 points. Last riddle. The last riddle. I am a function. My graph intercepts each axis only once. I am a polynomial function. I am the simplest of my type. Anglican.
Linear function.
Go ahead.
Linear function.
Yes. I was on the third clue, 3 points. On that note, the end of round 4. At the end of the contest, here are the scores. Anglican SHS Kumasi, 32 points. Opoku Ware School. Anglican SHS Kumasi, 22 points. Opoku Ware School, 31 points. And Kumasi High School, 37 points. Congratulations to you, Kumasi High School, for qualifying to the grand finale of the Absa Bank Championship. Opoku Ware, good work done. I hope your marks will take you through. Once again, I would like to acknowledge that the Absa Bank Regional Championship is proudly sponsored by Absa Bank with support from Joy News and YFM. This is a primetime production. Thank you.
Whoever you're doing it for, we'll help you get it done. Simply. That's Africanacity. That's ABSA.
Alande. Make I walk you through my everyday life. Busy from the morning light. My to-do list long, shadow fit to overlap. So sharp, turn on mobile app. School fees check, light bills check. Do I'm with speed like a G4 jet. You be at the D, I am not upset. Check, I don't even use checks to the check.
Join the ABSA family and make fast, easy, and safe transactions with our digital products. Log on to absa.com.gh. No long tail. We like 'em simple and easy.
Believe me, no long things in my life, though. Like I'm simple and easy. Easy.
Tap into the convenience of ABSA contactless cards, another innovation that's turning banking on its head. Now, you can make fast, easy, and safe contactless payments for everyday items. That's Africanacity. That's ABSA.